Let's make the Cephalobite from the Kraken Rum. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Kraken Rum's version of the stone fence, which they call the Cephalobite. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. Well, I may not be a professional bartender. I really do like making cocktails at home. But sometimes I like to make something a little bit simpler. And a stone fence is one of those simple drinks. A stone fence is a rum drink that's made with rum and hard apple cider. I do have a video for it here on the channel if you want to check it out. The link will be down below. It'll also be on the end of the video. Is that the end or is that the end? I don't know. In any case, it'll be at the end. The Kraken Rum has their proprietary version of the stone fence, which they call the Cephalobite. And that's what we're making today. Note that I'm not sponsored by the Kraken Rum. I'm open to being sponsored by the Kraken Rum, so Kraken Rum, if you're watching this video and you want to sponsor me, feel free to let me know. Note that in order to make the Cephalobite, you really do have to use the Kraken's black spiced rum. You can use another rum if you want, but then you're making another version of the stone fence and not the Kraken's Cephalobite. To make this drink, we are going to start with our hard apple cider. The recipe calls for 10 ounces, which is 300 milliliters. And they want you to pour it into a pint glass. And note I did not measure, I'm just estimating. In fact, I'm going to use all of this. Next, the rum. 1 ounce of their black spice, the Kraken's black spiced rum. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Now, there's a couple of options for adding the rum to the drink. I'm going to float, and I'm going to spill first. Not the best float, but you can see it there first. You can see it there. The other way is you can do it like a depth charge, where you put it in a shot glass and drop into the drink. I'm beyond my college days, so I'm not going to do it that way. My best float right there. The other thing is that their website shows that there is ice in the glass, but the recipe does not call for ice. Add ice if you like, especially on a warm day. Ice might be nice, but there's a garnish, and that's going to be a lemon wedge. And that's it. The Cephalobite from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Would you rather see the Kraken floated, or would you drop it in like a depth charge? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available. If you'd like a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below and make sure you get one. And while you're there, follow me on any of those social media links and see what other things I'm up to. Also note that if you've made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe so you can see more Kraken drinks or more rum drinks in general, and that's it. Cheers.